Hi Ziggy, what are we going to make today?
Today we're going to make a super cool jet that flies very far.
Cool.
And it's very fast.
All right, how do you do it?
You have to start with your paper like this.
Okay.
Then you fold it in half.
Mm-hmm.
I want to too.
Okay. I want to do it too. You get your paper, Ollie.
Yeah, he already made one. And I did almost all of it for him.
No. All right. Okay, let me sit on the left.
I don't like it.
Sit on the left.
Oh.
Okay. So,
Can I fold it in half,
fold it in half.
then unfold it?
Okay.
And you can
fold it.
see the crease that you made.
Okay.
Then you fold it.
Make a point like that.
Yeah.
Can you do that, Ollie?
2 corners in on both sides.
Okay. Well, more like this, baby. There.
So it
Push it down.
looks like this.
Like a point? Okay.
Yeah. Or like a house.
Oh, yeah, yes. Okay.
Then
Now what?
the next step is sort of the same thing, but you have to get this corner and fold it into the middle.
Whoa, okay, that's nice. So line up the edge here. Toward the
And do it
middle.
on both sides.
Okay. Did you show them what it needs to look like?
I can't do it. And when you do one, it sort of needs to
This
look
edge
like
has
this.
to line up in the middle.
And you have to do both sides.
Okay. Like that, Ollie? Okay. Finish mine apart.
Look how I started it right.
Whoa, it's looking awesome now. Okay, Ziggy, what's next? Now it kind of looks like a triangle.
Next, you fold it in half. So the lines and
Right up the
the
center line.
folds you made are
Good job,
inside.
man. You did it all by yourself. Okay.
Now,
Now what? Now it looks like that.
after you do this,
Mm-hmm.
you take off one of these. You unfold one of
It's okay,
these
Ollie.
corners
Yeah?
like this,
Yeah.
and then fold
Oh, line the edge up with the ball.
down
Yeah.
and line up the edge. Keep popping up.
Okay. Okay, hold on just a minute, baby.
And you have to
Yeah.
do both sides. When you do both sides,
Yeah.
they don't have to be perfect,
Yeah.
but try to make the
Try to
wings
get
the
them
same length.
Okay. Nope. So we're gonna line up this edge at the center line here. Okay. Makes the wings on both sides.
And then those folds that you made, put them halfway up, and then you'll have a jet.
Halfway up. There you go. Oh, I see. Do you bend these things up too, or no? Can you want to?
Get it. Oh, and if you want to upgrade it to go faster,
Yeah, definitely. I want to go as fast as I can.
okay, then faster. You fold these tips in.
Oh, I'll fold your tips in, Ollie.
And then unfold them so there's like wings at the end of
Oh,
the
winglets. Oh, cool. What's that? Wow, look at the plane you made, Ollie. I'm gonna try mine without the winglets and see whose goes faster. All right.
This way.
Okay. 1, 2, 3. I win. Oh, you won.
I won.
And that's all we got. And that's how you make a super fast supersonic jet.
Yeah, I did a loop.
Say bye-bye.
Bye.
Bye. See you next time.